You cannot call me now a road. Just as I told you, ile mambo. And the other one had lawyers, it had public, it was beamed live. Yeah.
So we start today with 4.4, is that right? Can you read, please?
It is very important to put it in record of this house that all those documents were presented through the clerk of this house.
If you have information from other quarters, bring it here, we shall see to it. But don't refer this committee to look for reports in libraries.
The governor may think it's an easy thing. He may think it's political. He may think because there's so much money. Mr. Chairman, please protect.
I will not allow this to happen.
Governor,
even if it's a committee, you're not going to bring your politics here.
No.
We also brought valuers and even a
Governor, please.
I will not allow.
No. If you want, yeah, that's okay.
You can if you wish.
I will not allow you to do your politics here. We also have valuers.
You can go.
I will not allow you, Kempi. It's better close at that point. You are bringing your fake valuations. We have a government.
No, you bought your valuers. You bought your valuers.
I will not allow this. Did I buy the government?
You bought the valuers.
So
you bred them. The government is corrupt.
The president of Mwangi, I will not allow this.
No.
We have a valuation by the government.
Chairman, do you have a sergeant at arms?
You go and do another valuation.
Yes, Governor, please.
You are not in the procurement process, so you can present your valuations here.
Respect the chair.
And we can actually do a current valuation. I would not allow you to malign my name, Kembi, because we are in a committee.
Order.
I think it's important, Mr. Chairman, that people must appreciate processes.
Yes, which we followed.
Governor, please, you don't address. Please stay orderly.
Mr. Chairman, it is my case.
Keep cool.
It is my case, and I think it's an indictment on the Auditor General.
What's happening here?
Get him out. What is the big story about get him out? Just get out. Get out.
Who is that?
It's because...
So if mine is noise, yours is equally noise.
Come on, Governor, please, let him finish.
No, but he has to use the right language.
Maybe he's trying to intimidate me, but...
You're also trying to intimidate me. You're also trying to do the same.
It's good first.
So if when I speak, you say I'm making noise, then
point of order, Chair.
I don't allow that also.
Point of order, Chair. Yes, just I propose we declare the governor of Murang'a an hostile witness, and we deal with issues.
And with reference to the constitutional provision that Senator Luale has read, and the provisions of Article 62 of the Public Audit Act 2015 that I have read, I now call this meeting adjourned, and action shall be taken accordingly. Meeting adjourned. Please, Governor, please leave. Please leave. Sergeant Adams, escort the governor out of the house.